Today I'm working on a 2022 Volkswagen GTI. This car came in and it was just at a dealership, and the customer's complaint is it's difficult to shift into gears. It has a aftermarket shift linkage installed. It has a cold air intake and a lot of things like that. They showed us the video of the tech at the dealer that was inspecting it, and right away, because of the aftermarket parts, the dealer suspected that was the issue. So they said you need to bring it to an aftermarket tuner shop so they can adjust the shift linkage and stuff like that to correct your problem. But what's going on here has really nothing to do with the shift linkage. It's the clutch itself has failed. So a good way to kind of tell if that's what you have going, or if you have more of a shift linkage issue, if it comes and goes, it's more likely something more like a clutch. As it heats up, it becomes difficult to engage first gear, reverse, stuff like that. And also this car here, if I start it, I can shift it right now, but after taking it for a spin, this is a pretty common thing. After taking it for a spin, it gets difficult to engage first gear from a stop, and reverse or any gear. Really, it doesn't make a difference because there's rotation that the clutch is not disengaging the transmission from the engine well. So as soon as you feel that, as soon as you feel it's difficult to get it into gear, right now it's actually starting to do that. It's actually becoming right. I can't even shift this car right now with it idling. I can pump the clutch a few times. Sometimes that helps. On this one, it's not doing anything. Can't shift it. Shut the car off. It becomes totally normal, easy to shift. That's typically that's not a linkage issue. That's more of a clutch issue. So something to look for if you have a car that you're unable to shift it with it idling. The clutch pedal itself feels great. Honestly, it feels fine. You wouldn't notice anything unusual with the way the clutch pedal feels. The only indicator you're going to have is the car on versus the car off. It's not even slipping, which is kind of odd. But yeah, the clutch kit will fix this car. So that's it. Something to look for. I've seen it a few times on these newer GTIs, and obviously lots of other models as well. But yeah, something to look for. Thanks for watching.